Would you like to know the latest about the Queens real estate market? Yes? Stay tuned, because I'm going to give you 5 key points that'll tell you everything you need to know about the Queens real estate market in February 2023. Hi, my name is Justin Braithwaite, and I'm the broker and owner of Braithwaite Realty in New York City. Number 1, obviously, prices are a good place to start. In Queens, the median sales price is $849,000, up almost 3% year over year from $817,000 this time last year, and also about 3% higher than the previous month of $820,000. This also brings us above last year's peak of $840,000 before interest rates started taking their toll. Is this a 1-month blip, or are we turning the corner? We definitely have to take a look at next month's median price, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss next month's report. Number 2, let's look at the list price to sales price ratio. This is a great metric because it tells us how close to asking price sellers are getting. Right now it's 95%, which is up slightly from last month, but lower than this time last year when we were basically above 97%. Basically, the list price to sales price ratio was dropping throughout last year and then stabilized in the fourth quarter, and it continues to be stable. Number 3, my personal favorite, days on market, which tells us how long a property takes to sell in Queens. Right now we're at 42 days, which is significantly down from last month's 54 days and right in line with this time last year, which was 41 days. Great news here. By the way, the 10-year average is 56 days, and as a rule of thumb, less than 120 days is considered a seller's market, and we are well within that, so we are looking good here. Number 4, let's look at how many homes are for sale now and how it's trending. There are 1,348 homes for sale, down from 1,581 last month and about half of what was on the market this time last year, which was 2,480. Inventory rose the first half of last year and then peaked in June and has since been dropping ever since. This is great news for sellers and a great sign for prices going forward. By the way, the 10-year average this time of year is more similar to last year at 2,501, so we are also at half of recent historic averages, which is just incredible. Great for sellers, tough for buyers. Number 5, let's take a look at how often sellers are reducing their prices in Queens. On average, 56 sellers reduced their asking prices each week last month versus 52 each week the prior month, so a little higher, but nothing significant. And we're way below the recent historic average of 71, so we're in good shape. Price decreases are considered a leading indicator and give you an idea of what's going to happen in the future. And this tells us that we're in great shape starting 2023, especially when considering the lower inventory. So there you have it. That's the latest on the Queens real estate market. Hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video coming out in March, and you have all the information you need to make informed real estate decisions for you and your family. Questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next month.